Hey guys, I wanted to create a new makeup tutorial with my hrxCosmetics box that I got using all the products that came in it. So the first one is this mask. It's a peel off mask, so once it dries you can peel it off and all the gunk that's in your pores comes out with it, which is amazing. I like to do my masks either at nighttime before I go to bed or before I do my makeup, so that way the application is smooth and your skin looks amazing once you apply the makeup. Next up, I'm using this serum, and everything is by hrxCosmetics. I'm not being paid to make this video, but I did get this box gifted to me and I was excited to try everything out and create a new look for you guys. So I'm applying the skincare first before I do my makeup. So I used the matte shade in this palette that has a bit of a yellow undertone to set my concealer, and then I'm using the shimmery highlight shade as a highlight in my inner corners, underneath my brows, my lower lash line, my cheekbones, and of course my collarbones, and even on my boobs. And I do have a tutorial on how to make your boobs look bigger with just contour and highlight, so definitely check it out. I'll put a link down below. Now I'm using the lighter contour shade, and make sure that you contour with a matte color, and I'm using this to contour my cheekbones, my temples, my jawline, my collarbones, my boobs, and of course my nose. And I do have a video on how to contour your nose to give yourself a non-surgical nose job, so definitely check it out as well. And now I'm going in and using the lip liner to outline my lips and fill them in. I'm lining just outside my natural border to make them look a little bit bigger. And I also have a video on how to make your lips look bigger, so I'll put the link down below for you. Now I'm doing my winged liner, and this liner actually looked really good and was really easy to use. I like starting out in the middle, then connecting it in the inner corner, and then creating the wing last. And I did do a video a few years back on how to do eyeliner, whether it's pencil, liquid, or gel, so I'll link that down below. Next, for the lips, there were two lipsticks in the box. The first one was pretty sheer. It had shimmers in it, but you couldn't really see it. I did a swatch for you right there. But the second lipstick was this gorgeous red, and I love how it has the root engraving on the tube. So I put that on, and as you can see, it's pretty shiny, so you do have to be careful when you're applying it. It's not a matte. And that's it for my tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and check me out on Instagram. All my socials are at hrxJQ, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.